Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. My name is Jan and today is day 8 on David's Tea, 24 days of tea. Let's dive in. Ugh. Remember that time it fell out? Whew. Here we go, day 8. What do you think it is? It smells like everything. Okay, let's just get into it. Zest Wishes. It's low caffeine and it's 1 to 2 perfect spoons, of course, and it's an oolong tea. I think maybe this is our first oolong. Jeanette made me a teapot one time and it said something on it. It's the Tiffany song. I think we're oolong now. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. You know, as one does sing. Let's get this on our tree. There we go. Let's get this open. I feel like we're old hats at having tea together now. That's interesting. Zest Wishes, so it's zesty. It smells like citrus. But there's some other spices there. I see some cardamom in it. Right, we'll get some water in there. Do you think that's enough water? Maybe a touch more water. Maybe there. And of course, while we wait for that to brew, let's have a little bit of a chat about Instagram. It's one of the areas of social media that I actually enjoy, and I think it's because, you know, it's photos with a little bit of words, and I find that it's never typically negative or news, so it brings me a lot of joy. So I'd love to know who you love to follow and who you enjoy seeing every day. I hope that we're friends over there, and if not, please head over. But the people that I do enjoy, of course, you know, Becki and Chris are top. I just totally adore those people. Would highly recommend that you follow them, check them out. And after Becki and Chris, I really enjoy House of Hilchey, and it's run by Melissa, and she does different DIYs. I'm not, you know, huge into DIY. I do like to do some things, but she just breaks it down, and she's so real and genuine, and I love that about her. She's an adorable human being, and I think you'll enjoy her too. So please head on over to House of Hilchey under Instagram and check her out. Another one that I really love following on Instagram would be iJustine. She is just, I don't know, she's so adorable. And I listened to her audiobook before and I felt like I got to know her more. And on Instagram, it's just great to see her day-to-day, and what she shares is, you know, always fun and stuff. And I love, you know, the tech, and I love hearing it from another female. It's great for me to be able to hear, you know, another woman's perspective on it. So that's great. So I'd love to know who you enjoy following every day. I know me personally, I enjoy watching or listening to the stories more than anything else. That's time. Then the actual Instagram posts, I guess. I really enjoy the stories, and I don't know why, and I think that's okay. I have been trying a little bit more to get into doing the stories, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, let's try this. I have never tried this one before. It's called Zest Wishes. Oh, that's nice. It's very light. It like has that kick of like citrus. It's very good. I could see this actually being really good as like an iced tea. It feels very refreshing. Yep, I like that. How would I rate this? I'm gonna say like a 7 out of 10. It's something that I would definitely drink and enjoy. It's probably not something that I would pick out if I was looking for, you know, one tea to drink out of the whole wall of David's Tea wall of tea. I would probably, you know, definitely drink this if I was at somebody's house or if it was in the house and I was looking to make an iced tea or something like that. It's just not, you know, that 8 to 9 to 10 mark. It's very good though. I would highly recommend it. Like I said, it's very light and airy. It's very refreshing. It has that, it like almost feels like it just cleans your mouth. Like, is that a thing? I don't know, but that's how it is. So I'd love to know what you would rate this as, and if you've had it before. And I'd also love to know who you follow on Instagram if you do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And until tomorrow, take care.